In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a reliable AI agent workflow from scratch. We'll start by defining a clear purpose. Think of this as the agent's job description. What should it achieve and how will you know it worked? For example, you might want it to triage support tickets based on urgency or to qualify new leads by checking for key criteria. Be specific about success. Move urgent tickets to a priority queue or flag sales-ready leads with a score. Clarity here prevents confusion later and makes testing straightforward. Next, choose the trigger that starts the workflow. This is the event that tells your agent it's time to act. It could be a new email arriving in your inbox, a new contact created in your CRM, or a message in a designated channel. Pick the trigger that reliably signals new work has arrived. If you're unsure, start with the simplest trigger and expand later. Now give your agent instructions in natural language. Describe the exact steps it should follow from start to finish. Include what to read, how to decide, what to write back, and where to log results. Add guardrails for anything sensitive or irreversible. For example, you can require a pause for approval before sending emails to customers or updating CRM records. Use clear criteria, note what to do when information is missing, and define how to handle exceptions so the agent doesn't guess. Then connect the apps and data sources it needs. Grant access to the tools where it will read and act, such as email or a chat platform, and provide context from your CRM or a knowledge base file. Start with the least access necessary. Read-only connections are great for early tests, and you can expand permissions once you trust the behavior. With that in place, test and monitor. Use the test panel to run sample scenarios that reflect real-life cases, including edge cases and messy inputs. Confirm the agent follows your steps, respects guardrails, and produces the outcomes you defined. If something looks off, adjust the instructions and retest. Once you're confident, keep an eye on the All Activity view to see what the agent is doing in the background. This is where you'll catch patterns, measure accuracy, and refine wording. Small tweaks, like tightening a rule or clarifying a data source, often deliver big gains. By the end, you'll have an agent with a clear purpose, a dependable trigger, precise instructions, the right access, and a test and monitor loop that keeps it safe and effective.